Alright, welcome to 11/12 Panini double box break. Here's your serial numbers. Here's your last auction. Here's your first box. I'll show you the other one after. Good luck. First card, Anaheim Ducks, Bobby Ryan. Second, Adam Graves, Edmonton Oilers. Third, we have Gary Simmons, California Golden Seals. Next, we have Kerry Lettinen, Andrew Raycroft, Dallas Stars, number 2, 199. Next, Nashville Predators, Blake Jeffregon, rookie auto, number 249. Next, Eric Stahl, Calgary Flames, number 299. And last, Edmonton Oilers, Taylor Hall, team trademarks, number 2, 299. Here's your next pack. Good luck. First card, Jaromir Jagr, Philadelphia Flyers. Second, we have Jerome McGinley, Calgary Flames. Third, Tony Esposito, Chicago Blackhawks. First hit, Jonathan Bloom, Nashville Predators again. Rookie, number 299. Next, we have Luke Shen, team trademarks jersey, number 299. Next, Cam Ward Banner Seasons jersey card, number 250. And last but not least, Tyler Seguin, Boston Bruins, number 225. Alright, thanks for bidding.